Oh, Sukundimi'S Voice. Wakwanjimau Utkanka satua kundi Hautba Una aip manda Takula hava. Oh, you harem na harem good. Guide us today,
guide us tomorrow,
guide our children. I walk beside the river flow, where our ancestors used to go. Their footprints live beneath our feet. Their wisdom makes our lives complete. Wake with the sun before daylight, work with your hands from dawn to night. Plant the gardens, cast the nets, build tomorrow without regrets. The world is changing every day, but truth and wisdom never fade away. Listen carefully to those before, they hold the key to life's true door.
Sukundimi'S Voice,
let the elders sing,
teaching us the precious things.
Choose with wisdom, choose with prayer.
Build your family with love and care.
Don't be fooled by a shining face
or temporary worldly praise.
Stand with faith and stand up strong,
for lasting love takes time and patience.
Marriage is not a game to play, it is a promise every day. Learn to provide before you leave. Serve your family in word and deed.
Fish the river and hunt the land. Build your future with your hands.
A strong home grows little by little, never built on selfish wishes.
Facebook, WhatsApp, screens that glow can help us learn and help us grow. But if abused, they steal our time and lead our hearts away from life. Pictures can lie, appearances fade. Not every smile is truth displayed. Seek good character deep inside, where faith and honesty reside.
Sukundimi'S Voice,
let the elders sing.
whoa,
teaching us the precious things. Choose with wisdom, choose with prayer.
build your family,
Love and care.
don't be fooled by a shining face
For temporary worldly praise. Stand with faith and stand up strong.
for lasting love takes
Time and patience.
Listen to your parents' voice, seek God's guidance in every choice. Beauty changes with passing years, but faithful hearts overcome all fears. From village paths to modern days, protect our culture in new ways. Technology is a tool to use, not a master for us to choose.
Sukundimi'S Voice.